How to log in to CJ Affiliate account. So if you want to log in to CJ Affiliate account, then you have to first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and here on the search bar you have to search for CJ, and after searching, on the first search you will have www.cj.com. You can click on that. Now if you want to log in to CJ Affiliate account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says login and click on that. So to log in, first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can click on sign up and you can create your account. But if you remember your password and your email address, then simply enter your email and then your password and simply click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into CJ Affiliate account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.